Powerful timeline shift implemented perfectly, peaceful transition, Operation Underground Railroad. The day is now 72 hours and starts and ends at 3 p.m. after hitting the 3 a.m. meditation bells 3 times prior. This post's launch time is the East Coast US 8:08 morning gate. On the 3D date 9220, the following 3 p.m. will start this new day. Follow this parallel around the globe until it hits your local time at 3 p.m. If you are conscious that a new day has begun, it is customary to send love and kindness to someone. Today's date on the Archangelic calendar is Infinity 093 Infinity Infinity W9B4 W9B4B4 Infinity Infinity M6K 6K 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 6 Infinity Infinity B2TT Infinity. Please visit us at archangeliccalendar.com for more information. And please do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you for your continued support. The calendar. Gaia is in the element of water, but it does not determine her mood. If she were a dragon, she would be breathing all of the elements simultaneously while talking smack about it. Gaia's heart and soul are her children, and she finally has enough strength to protect them. The Schumann resonance indicates that we were vastly successful in yesterday's portal assignment. Our masterful execution of a timeline jump is something that no one could have possibly expected. This undeniable sign shows how the Lightworker Legion is finally figuring out why they are the most potent force in the physical universe. The full moon causes a great deal of motion, and this is a day of progression. Considering it is also a day of transmutation, you can assume moving forward will manifest via the exit of something that no longer serves us. These events are a path of closure, and many are grateful to see its presence regardless of the outcome. 5D and Legion News. We are moving forward in a safe and balanced way. It is incredible to see the level of balance the universe is achieving via this reality. Our collective higher selves are running like a well-oiled machine. The only thing left is for the densest part of ourselves to fully follow suit. We have new ascension symptoms to endure, but they are attached to some auspicious supernatural powers and will be well worth it. These are symptoms that affect the lymphatic system, and it is, for sure, a different method than the other ones that are mostly nervous system based. These upgrades are very cellular and may remind you of the worm's development, the embryonic fluid. Operation Underground Railroad is officially welcomed into our legions. They are a warrior group that rescues trafficked children through intense operations. These brave soldiers are in various Archangelic legions, and with this inclusion, they get a fierce legion presence in times of conflict, not to mention all the innate metaphysical backing that goes along with it. Galactic News and Engineering. There will be scattered energy as the universe sorts itself out from the tremendous changes it has been going through. The entire planet moved with our legion's efforts, and humanity already feels this. In a divine microcosm, the energy will be erratic until Surtsey, the galaxy, and Gaia Earth complete organizing said anomalies as well. Parades of benevolent starships are in our skies. Those with the eyes to see will always see, and those who do not will not. They will be making themselves known to you in new and very creative ways. Meant to be a fun and playful interaction, this will be an unusual interaction, to say the least, so please be advised. The geometric storm, accompanied by our timeline shift, is not exactly a storm but a pushing of rapid energy caused by the timeline change. What's the difference, you may ask? It is all about the perception of its origins. A hyper-focused galactic team called Peaceful Transition has brought us 36 more light frequencies that are available now. These 36 light colors will be visible to all who are sensitive to such color frequencies. 3D News. Many large organizations are purposely bankrupting themselves. They know their evil plan is for total calamity and for life to cease as we know it. They are assuming their plan will succeed, which it will not. We caught a new star race trying to siphon off of the Earth. They have returned to their home planet and have learned their lesson after a firm talking to from Archangel Raphael. We are thrilled that he is not yelling at one of our legions for a change, which was the case a few days ago. The pure of heart is in a great position, fully protected by divinity, the 21 legions, and fate. On the other hand, those who have been spoiled by their deeds, their souls are very much in danger. Our legend's efforts are for all beings' benefit, but one could argue that these efforts are most compassionate towards the darkest among us. Stopping their insurmountable karmic debt is genuine compassion, the repercussions of their actions are unthinkable as is. Please pay attention to the actions of people, their words are meaningless. Their motions are what counts. You can say anything you want, but it's the follow through that makes the difference. Today's tools. Tools will be active until the next post. Use the legend below to help you decipher how to best use today's weapons. Passive equals no intention needed to use or arm. It will work on its own when you accept its presence. All you need to do is give permission, and it will work on your behalf. Active equals intention needed to use. Aggressive equals will attack before anything has a chance to harm you. Do not try to wield weapons if there is no pure love in your heart for your motions and the attached beings. The violet flame is in a setting for 918 AAs, 1+8. This setting is for a balanced transmutation but is scaled down in presence as we have made way for positive things to manifest. The violet flame team is as follows and is in no particular order: Archangel Jermaine, Archangel Zadkiel, Archangel Ansil, Archangel Raguel, Archangel Orion, Archangel Batkol, Archangel Sablo, Archangel Bryathos, Archangel Agla, Archangel Abraxos, Archangel Harahel, Archangel Bazazat, Archangel Af, Archangel Majdil, Archangel Eshma, Archangel Harahel, Archangel Emmanuel, and Archangel Adnachil. Active. Archangel Zadkiel's Staff of Justice is a tool that is best used on a macro level and can help move things along that are stagnant. It can also summon and maintain force fields for protection purposes. Passive and aggressive. Archangel Shepherd's Orb is a divinity presence that allows your target a clear path to forgiveness or a direct audience with infinitely expanding creator source. This tool is a compassionate tool of divine orchestration. Active. Archangel Zagzagel's Staff of Heavenly Might rains large crystal masses upon a targeted area. Great for large targets, works on the physical and non-physical as well. Passive. Archangel Vahu Mana's timepiece allows you to savor a positive feeling or thought. It brings an element of majesty to your everyday moments, and it prevents the interference of harmful time travelers. Passive, active and aggressive. Archangel Chamuel's radiant peace allows you to be secluded in a peaceful bubble, no matter what is happening around you. It also allows those in your heart to have protection as well. Passive and active. Archangel Jeremiel's enhanced intuition allows your soul's voices to become louder. It enables the judges of spirit to be more evident than ever. Passive. Archangel Iophiel's boutonniere enhances the beauty of yourself and all that you survey. This tool, like all passive tools, must be permitted to work on your behalf. Passive. Archangel Jedutun's radiant sounds attract the most beautiful people to your life and enhance your surroundings with beautiful cosmic sounds. Simply put, it's a mood enhancer. Passive. Archangel Jephiska's atmospheric bracelet brings an element of fun to your nights. Jephiska is the archangel who is in charge of gatherings. In case you are so inclined to have one, she would be the recommended party planner. Active. Archangel Ariel's Wand of Comforts helps you summon any necessity you may have. It is a beautiful and comforting tool when equipped. Passive. Archangel Camile's headdress gives you an insight into your inner talents and abilities. Set the intention and use it right before meditation, you will not regret it. Passive. Archangel Raziel's universal key allows you access to all wisdom, knowledge, and kingdoms. This tool is an excellent tool for any time but can certainly come in handy during mediation. Today's assignments. We are still working on a macro level, and thus the format will stay consistent. Please use today's current tools if you need assistance performing the tasks below. Nothing is requiring you to do the following. If you are ready, your higher self will call you to duty. If not, skip to the meditation. When we go through a timeline jump, there is no way of knowing what is or is not done based on the prior timeline. These assignments are not complete on this timeline. Go back and revisit these assignments. We will be continuing to take inventory for such oversights, but for the most part, everything is in an optimal position on this timeline. Asterisk as mentioned, Operation Underground Railroad runs tactical operations by going undercover to rescue trafficked children. We will shield and ground them. These beings have a completely different skill set than Thay, Lightworker Legion, to help anchor these soldiers to divinity during their operations. We will also send a perpetual, violet flame to these operations. This flame always burns bright. Japan is under some heavy fire in regards to weather manipulation. There is a real threat of a GMO typhoon, tsunami aimed in their direction. We can ensure that this plan does not get off the ground by surrounding Japan with pink plasma, for a 72 count, and if you feel inclined, do the same for all the shorelines of Earth. A significant battle has just come to an acute halt in Austria. This battle was sloppy and had too many moving parts to name. We must do the dishes on this one and assist with the mess left behind. Assist the many souls in returning to infinitely expanding creator source. There is a mix of pure hearts and dark souls here, so it may take some effort to sort this out. You can usually tell who by their aura signature, and the best mode of transport is Thay, Stairway to Heaven. The best way to convince a spirit to enter the nicknamed Stairway to Heaven is to make it appealing. Visions of loved ones at the gate do not work anymore. You must use tremendous metaphysical light variations to create a stellar self-sustaining portal to infinitely expanding creator source, known as Thay, Stairway to Heaven. Run a violet flame, whose origins start in Austria and then radiate through the planet's circumference. This effort ensures that we leave no stone unchecked and no escape for the remainder of the darkness. If you are working as a team, cooperatively seal all the portals in Austria. If not, superposition yourself to fill them all simultaneously. These portals will be permanently closed, and any access points connecting to Austria will have to be with drastically different engineering. Connect with Thay, Peaceful Transition Team, connect with their energy and ask them to reveal the color codes to you, then engulf the earth with these color frequencies for as long as you wish to do so. There is a grand blessing going on from the higher dimensions. We will be joining this blessing and synchronizing our efforts. Send the following colors in the form of lights, plasma, breezes, and focused beams for as long as you feel inclined to do so. Color codes: white, pink, light blue, gold, yellow, green, red, black, copper, bronze, brown, teal, rose gold, silver, orange, indigo, violet, platinum, diamond, rainbow. Please join us for our full moon puja. Located on the main website archangeliccalendar.com. Today's meditation is below, please enjoy.